making wood surfaces perfectly flat. This Craftsman 10-amp benchtop jointer is extremely versatile, from beginners to woodwork hobbyists. Owning a good quality jointer is crucial for your DIY projects around the home. Do even more than just the general woodwork with this jointer at your workshop. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 10-amp benchtop jointer features a variable speed range of 6,000 to 11,000 RPM and cutter head speed of 12,000 to 22,000 cuts per minute, allowing selection correct speed for materials size and hardness. 2. Knife cutter head. With jack screw knife leveling arrangement and built-in cutter headlock, allows for easy knife replacement and adjustment. The jointer is ideal for edging, flattening, or face jointing. Number 2. Variable speed. Range of 6,000 to 11,000 RPM allows the user to select the right speed for the size and hardness of the material. Number 3. Easy replacement and knife adjustments. 2. Knife cutter head with jack screw knife leveling arrangement allows for easy replacement and adjustment of knives. Number 4. Accurate cutting. Center-mounted fence gives needed support throughout the cut for accurate edge jointing. Number 5. Hard and soft surfaces. Heavy-duty 10-amp motor provides power for hard and soft woods, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.